It's an exciting time for Greenwood Village, especially for the Public Works and the Parks, Trails, and Recreation Department. It's been a long time in the works, and today these two departments are celebrating the groundbreaking of their new future home.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
That's more like it. Well, this is a great day in the history of Greenwood Village. 50 years from now, you'll still be around. I won't. And this building will still be here, so that's the important thing to know.
Greenwood Village is special for a lot of reasons. It's special because of its parks. It's special because of its roads and how we plow them. And those are two essential quality of life issues that happen out of this building. The investment in our safety, the investment in our people cannot be understated. I think this seals the deal now for what we're going to be out of this portion of the city for a very long time.
You know, the city's expanded. 1995 when we first moved in, that was a pretty exciting time. Now, tear down and put back up, it's going to be even greater.
Pretty excited. It's going to be a nice change and just better access and more curb appeal. It's going to be nice to have a cleaner facility that contractors and utility companies can come to and have better access.
The maintenance facility improvements include the reconstruction of the office and administration area, which you can see is that lower building there with the single-story roof. The outcome that we hope to achieve is allowing staff to have a more safe and secure environment and become more efficient so they continue to provide the high-level service to our residents and business community.
Upon the completion of the maintenance facility, all of Parks, Trails, and Recreation will move over to the new building. Except for the cultural arts staff that of course will stay at Curtis, the recreation, the administration, and our front desk will be moving all over to the maintenance facility. With the implementation of online class registration, park pavilion reservations, and special event tickets, there's a lot less reason to come to our front desk at PTR. However, rec reimbursement applications are still in paper form. You're welcome to mail them in or to drop them off at the maintenance facility or City Hall. However, a lot of our residents like for us to give it a once look over before they turn it in. And we would love to see you here at the maintenance facility. However, we were planning to not move into the new building until after the 2019 rec reimbursement application deadline, which is in January of 2020. So that'll give our residents a full year to get used to our new location before the 2020 applications are due in 21.
The current Greenwood Village maintenance facility was built in 1994. Due to the increase of levels in service and investment in the infrastructure by the village starting in 1994 and continuing into the late 1990s, a new building is essential to serve the citizens of Greenwood Village.
The original construction of this building took place in 1995, and at that time there was 45 full-time staff members that were here. We now have 91 full-time staff members and 12 seasonal employees. So basically we outgrew the existing building.
So the Parks Maintenance Group is already at the maintenance facility, which that group is 2/3 of our department. So by moving our recreation and administrative part, we're all together, and that'll increase collaboration, which is great for the community.
Did you know the Public Works and Parks, Trails, and Recreation departments are responsible for 224 lane miles of roadways, 193 acres of developed parks, 43 miles of trails, 1.5 acres of floral beds, 49 miles of storm sewer, 7 miles of master drainways, 254 acres of open space, 53 acres of streetscape and medians, and 40 plus recreation events offered, including special events like Greenwood Village Day, Fishing Derby, and Mayor's Holiday Lighting. And these programs and services will come out of the new administration building.
This is a very exciting time for Greenwood Village. As we know, back in the early 90s when the maintenance operations first left City Hall, and it was a growing city, and the services and the quality of life. We've seen so much growth in the late 90s and early 2000s. And this building has served extremely well, and now we look forward to the next 50 years and ensuring these services and the quality of life found in our community will be there, and we don't have to worry about interruptions to operations or anything like that. And it's a great facility for staff and gives them a good home as they provide their passion in the services to the community, and it's just a great milestone in the history of Greenwood Village.
You may not know this, but improvements to the maintenance facility began all the way back in 2013, with Phase 1, which included a new fleet maintenance building, construction of new material storage building for snow and ice control, expanding material bins to allow for bulk purchasing of materials such as mulch and canopies for village equipment. In addition, a new police department, state-of-the-art crime lab was renovated and modernized as part of the project to improve space needs for police officers and staff and meet the 21st century demands of policing.
The construction of Phase 2 will take approximately 9 to 10 months. We hope to wrap up construction in December of 2019. The cost of the total project is just under $9 million, and it's funded through the city's capital improvement program. We expect this building to be a 50-year building, so at least 50 years, and we're incorporating new sustainable technologies with LED lighting and improved heating and air conditioning to reduce those energy costs going forward.
The maintenance facility is one of the many great things happening in Greenwood Village in 2019. Stay tuned for more exciting news regarding your community. Until then, I'm Arna Ritter reporting for GV Kids Inc. News.